Create a graphic pen effect in Photoshop. In Photoshop, open an image, then go to Layer and then down to Duplicate Layer and click OK. You've got a backup now, you can blend with this later. Well, now go over here to Filter and then Filter Gallery. And in there, just go over to Graphic Pen. Now you'll notice it's black and white. The reason being over here, you can change the colours. So if you want blue and green, you have to change them before you go into this filter. Then set it to 15 and 50 and right diagonal and click OK. Got this image. What you can then do is you can go over here to the History panel. You can find that in the Window menu and History and simply click here. And you'll see this little icon just appear just there. So now you can go to Edit and Fill, and you can fill it with any colour. You can also apply gradients or something else. Click OK. I'm filling it with white. Then go over here to the Art History brush. There it is, Art History brush. Once you've got that, you can just apply it. Now I'm applying it very small. I've got 6 pixels here. Now I'm using soft round. You could use any brush. But also what you can do, just click here and change the size. So maybe go for 23 and apply it again. Now the actual end result depends on these settings over here. So you've got loose medium, using that one. There's a number of other ones as well. 100% normal, area 10 pixels and 0 and 0. And you can apply this to the image like that. Then you might decide, you know what, I want some imagery there as well. Well, simply go up here and I say put it to about 71 and now apply it. And you can see you can fill this very quickly. You don't have to, obviously the central part, you want to keep it fairly pronounced so you can see everything. But in here, you can now fill this background with broad brush strokes. And you can see the end result there. Well, you can always go back and you can tweak it a bit more, maybe smaller, and apply again. Now also what you can do is you've got blend modes. That was the reason for the layer at the start. So go here, got brushes there, remove that, history, and go to Window and Layers. And now you can see you've got this background layer. So with this one selected, go here, normal, just go with darken, multiply, lighten, and so on. So you can blend the two together. Maybe go with overlay or soft light and so on. Hard light's a good one. So select that and there is your end result.